こんにちは、Asuka Sensei です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about why Japanese needs 3 scripts. For many learners like yourself, the Japanese writing system presents a profound mystery. Hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Why does Japan use 3 different scripts simultaneously? Wouldn't it be more efficient to simply use the alphabet or Romaji like the rest of the world? I understand your frustration. You are busy. You value your time. Memorizing not only hiragana and katakana but also thousands of kanji characters can feel like an unnecessary burden. You might think, is this tradition just for the sake of tradition? Is it resisting modernization? However, the truth is quite the opposite. The 3 script system is not chaos. It is highly designed architecture. It allows for speed, precision, and deep cultural nuance. Actually, if Japanese relies solely on Romaji, the language would become 10 times more difficult to read. In this video, we will explore the intellectual reasons why Japanese requires 3 scripts. By the end of this discussion, you will no longer see hiragana, katakana, kanji as obstacles, but as sophisticated tools that enrich your understanding of the world. Let's dive in. The first reason is precision. Using kanji is essential to distinguish words that sound exactly the same. Japanese has a very limited number of sounds compared to English. Because of this, many words share the same pronunciation. These are called homophones. Let's look at classic example, hashi. If I write hashi in Romaji, you have no visual clues at what I mean. It could mean chopsticks, bridge, or edge. Without kanji, you must guess the meaning entirely from context, which requires immense mental energy. Imagine reading a complex business contract or a medical report where many words look identical. It would be dangerous and inefficient. Kanji acts as a visual label that instantly classifies the meaning. The second reason is speed. Mixing 3 scripts actually allows us to read faster than using only hiragana or alphabet. Japanese does not use spaces between words. If we wrote everything in hiragana, it would look like a long, endless string of letters. Kanji functions as visual anchors or bold text for your eyes. Please verify this with your own eyes. Look at this hiragana sentence. 部屋に母がいました. It takes time to figure out where one word ends and the next begins. Now look at the proper Japanese script. 部屋に母がいました. You can instantly see the structure. Kanji represents the core meaning, such as nouns or verbs. Hiragana represents the grammatical function, such as particles or verb ends. This contrast allows Japanese readers to scan information rather than read it letter by letter. It is a high-speed information interface. The final reason is where logic meets art, aesthetics, and functional nuance. By using these 3 scripts, we can control how the reader feels and processes information. First, let's revisit kanji. As ideograms, the shape carries meaning. This makes kanji the ultimate time-saving tool. You don't read them, you see them. Take the sign for emergency exit. The moment you see these shapes, the meaning hits your brain instantly. However, if this were written phonetically as hijoguchi, you'd have to read the sound first to understand the meaning. In an emergency situation, that split second makes all the difference. Second is katakana. Like hiragana, it represents sounds, but its usage is limited to foreign words or scientific terms because it appears less frequently. It acts like a highlight or italics in English. When you see angular katakana in a sentence, your eyes are naturally drawn to it. It spotlights keywords without the need to bold fonts. Third is hiragana. While it forms the grammatical foundation, its shape is curvy and round, creating a soft impression. We use this effectively in onomatopoeia. For example, the word fuwa means fluffy. By writing it in round hiragana, we don't just describe the texture, we visually evoke the sensation of softness. It appeals to the reader's sense of touch. By switching between these three scripts, we add layers of nuance and make the text intuitively easy to understand. It is not just writing. It is a sophisticated system of visual communication designed for the reader's comfort. To summarize, why Japanese needs three scripts. 1. Precision, to distinguish homophones instantly. 2. Speed, to structure sentences without spaces for faster reading. 3. Aesthetics, to convey deep cultural nuance and emotion. It is not a system designed to torture learners. It is a system designed to honor the reader by making communication efficient and beautiful. I hope this perspective helps you make peace with the Japanese writing system. Treat these scripts as your intellectual partners, not your enemies. If you enjoyed this cultural deep dive into the Japanese language, please leave a like and subscribe for more insights into the beauty of Japanese language and culture. If you are interested in a Japanese course designed specifically for busy adults, please check in the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. さようなら。